Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to add lines to your website using the Adobe Dreamweaver application or software. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Adobe Dreamweaver application, and then you will need just to follow these simple steps. So here in this example, I have just this simple HTML code or this website, and I'm going, for example, add just some uh, text. Let's just add horizontal lines. So basically, to add lines, all you need to do is to add an HR tag, and it will automatically add the lines into your website. So let's just have a live view. So this is my live view here. And as you can see, this is my text here, the horizontal lines. So basically, to add the lines into your HTML or your website, you will need to add some horizontal lines tags. Basically, all you need to write or type is HR, like this, and have it like this. And as you can see, a horizontal line will be displayed or created into your website, and then you can add some styles to it using the CSS after that if you want. So basically, you can add as many horizontal lines as you want, for example, like that. Let's just add some tags, and as you can see, you are adding as many lines that you want. You can add it before, like the text, and we will have something similar to this. So basically and easily, this is how you can add like the lines, tags or lines in your website using Adobe Dreamweaver. Thank you for watching and see you next time.